Hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Bizum on Revolut. Okay, so if you're ready, first of all we have to go to the Play Store. Why? Because we need to update the Revolut app. So just in search bar we write Revolut, and then here if it shows you update, you have to update. Once you have update, we open the Revolut app like so, and now here we have the Bizum button. So that's easy, just hit on that and it will tell us use Bizum with your Revolut account. Yes, that's what we want. So just get started and confirm your information is correct. Your information, your phone, your account, your European, in my case, my European account, my name and my account IBAN, that's correct. So let's continue. Now, one last thing, read terms and conditions. I'm not gonna read it because they are all the same as I did in other banks where I use Bizum. So I have read and accept, start using Bizum. To your Bizum account to Revolut. Currently you are using Bizum with a BBVA, so enter 855001 in order to be registered with Revolut. Okay, that's what we want. So just hit yes, continue. 855001, and yeah, you can now use Bizum start But that's easy because now we can send, we can request or find the contact. So if we hit send, here we have all my contacts where I can send my money. So just choose one and just hit here 20 euros, as you can see, add the description and follow the steps. As simple as that. And now if we go to the main menu, just hit on Bizum and we are again on this menu. So that's all. Hope you understand everything. Write a comment if you have doubts. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.